So today we're going to be installing no flood filter bags that are going to go underneath the grates for the stormwater catch basins on this baseball field. So here recently, this sod has been installed. We came in and installed little grates there to catch the stormwater. But the main catch basin here, concrete box, is becoming full of sand from the ball field. So this grass is going to help certainly a lot, but we're going to go ahead and add another level of protection because this particular ball field spent $10,000 last year on cleaning out these drain pipes, and as you can tell, these pipes are still full of sediment. So the no flood bags were shipped wrapped with the sticker around them. Everything for that bag is wrapped inside, and really all that is needed is the metal poles. They're wrapped up in there, and then you take those metal poles apart and slide them into the sleeve here, and it's really pretty simple. You can do it however you want. You can do it standing on your head if you'd like, but the way I do it is I just take these poles apart, slide one in on one side. Guess I can go ahead and do it for you here. Slide that in on this side. So simple, you can do it one-handed. And then I just pull that sleeve all the way through to the exposing the other end, and then slide that in like that. And this bracket here on the end is what's going to go onto the frame of the catch box. All right, so the grate is off. You look down in the bottom of this concrete box, and you'll see there's already some sediment there in the pipes that are running through the box. This little pipe here runs underground to the, I guess it's about a 6-inch catch over there, getting runoff that's coming down from the bleachers. Dumps down into here. Now we just need to make sure that no sediment is getting in through surface runoff here off of the baseball field. So I have the bag draped out over the catch box. There's a couple ways we could do this. We could take and put that bracket right here on the metal edge, or we could go down and put it down here. The pros and cons. It's preferred to put it up here. However, it's going to be trickier to put the grate back on, and it's going to be harder for maintenance taking that grate off because it's going to form a tight fit in here. Putting it on here makes it real simple. It also keeps the fabric down below the lip. But I think what will happen is once sediment fills this bag, it will put enough weight on that going down that it'll hold and not fall down later on. So that's where I'm going to put it. But my fear is that when you take the grate off and this thing is full of sediment, will it fall down into the catch box? But we're going to do a little bit of experiment. I've done 2 of them already, and I've done each of them both ways. But we'll see. So as you see on this, I have put this bracket on the lip, and there's some play in this sleeve, and I've pulled that over so that it will rest between the grate and that lip when we put it on. One of the features that attracted me to the no flood is this hole right here. So you see that sediment can collect here in the bottom, and as sediment collects there, if it fills up this bag, there's holes in all of the corners that will allow water to flow down into the pipes.